Lord, fight for me. The devil is knocking on my door. I know I don't deserve your mercy, and I know I don't deserve your love. But Lord, I cry, for I'm a broken man. I just got caught in the storm, and I know I'm no saint, but Lord, I'm broken. I'm a broken man, and I'm shattered. I just got lost on the way. Now, Lord, please find me.
Hear my prayer, oh Lord, hear my cry in anguish. Wipe away all these tears. Don't let me choke in my blood.
For
Lord, I'm a broken man. Lord, I'm a shattered man.
pardon me and my mistakes. Hear the prayer of a dying man. Hear the prayer of a dying man. Lord, I cry at night as life is sucked out of me, as I lay awake, and when all this pain is too much for me, I wonder why I should die like this. Is there still space for me in your heart, oh God? I'm a broken man, and I'm shattered, for I'm a broken man, and I am shattered. You can heal all my scars.
Hear my prayer, oh Lord, hear my cry in anguish. Wipe away all these tears. Don't let me choke in my blood.
For Lord, I'm just a broken man. My Father, I'm a shattered.